If your Dell laptop isn't recognizing its docking station, the issue is usually related to driver conflicts, outdated firmware, incorrect ports, or power problems. Docking stations rely on proper communication between the laptop's USB-C or Thunderbolt controller and the dock itself, so even a small mismatch in drivers or BIOS settings can stop the system from detecting it. The good news is that most connection problems can be fixed quickly by checking cables, updating drivers with Dell Command Update, and verifying the correct settings in BIOS. Step 1. Ensure the dock is properly powered and connected to the correct USB-C or Thunderbolt port on your laptop. Step 2. Try a different USB-C or Thunderbolt cable, preferably one rated for 100W power delivery. Step 3. Use Dell Command Update to install the latest drivers, firmware, and BIOS updates. Step 4. Enter BIOS settings and confirm USB ports and Thunderbolt support are enabled. Step 5. Run Dell Support Assist hardware diagnostics to detect and automatically fix docking station issues.